The true power in the Brazilian seas. Discover the largest and most robust fleet of tugboats in Brazil, capable of offering all the support that the oil and gas industry needs. 80 tugboats, plus 45% with more than 60 tons of bollard pull, plus 30% equipped for firefighting, FIFI, 4 escort tugs. With a highly qualified crew, we are prepared to perform highly complex maneuvers in the oil and gas sector. Our operations center monitors our activities in real time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and assists in the effective planning of each maneuver, ensuring operational efficiency for each operation. Our training center guarantees the constant training of our crew and is available for customers and third parties to carry out project campaigns through the maneuver simulator that offers different operational scenarios. We are committed to the safety of our employees and customers. We have world-class status in safety based on standards set by DuPont. We value transparency in our business, basing our decisions on ethics and a high standard of compliance. We have been a publicly traded company since 2007 and are constantly audited by independent consultants. Always in development, our next tugs are available to sustainability standards IMO Tier 3, and since 2021, we have joined the largest companies in the world, becoming members of the Carbon Disclosure Project, CDP. In recent years, we have participated in multiple operations involving FPSOs, rigs and shipyards, in addition to ocean towage, offloading, and emergency services. We have the experience your business needs. Count on our expertise to ensure the success of your operations, and be surprised by our power.